fueling up, getting a little gas at the gate. That would be the sickest sponsor ever. But yeah, just grabbing some gas over here at the gate and then headed out to the lake. We got about 5 more casts of this, and guys, if you don't know what this is a freaking sick ass bass bait, and I've caught redfish on them before, so that's what we're gonna throw for another 5 or 6 casts, and we're gonna go back to top water before the sun gets too high. That's moving. Is that an alligator? That's got to be an alligator. Is that an alligator? I'm honestly not liking it coming back to me. It scares the crap out of me. That could easily freaking be a giant alligator. That's an alligator. Oh shit. So that thing just charged my boat. Thank God. Whew, that was intense. That actually scared the shit out of me. Oh, whoa. Finally. Lock down that drag a little bit. Not too much. That's a big trout. That's a good trout. Here we go. Was that a redfish? I can't tell. That's a redfish? That's a redfish. Heck yeah. No. How'd that just happen? How did that just happen? Dude, what a cluster. I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna lose it. Because I'm an idiot. I deserve to lose this fish. How did I not lose that fish? Because it's small? Oh my God, there's more. There's more. There's more fish. There's more fish. There's more. This one's coming home. Yes, sir. Pretty sure that's a slot. Yes, and freaking, he just shook the freaking hook. He just shook the hook. Beautiful little, beautiful redfish. This is probably a keeper. Oh yeah, definitely. That'd be a real good eating fish. But you know what? You can go back today, baby. Today, you can go back. Whenever you're ready. Whenever you're ready. There she goes. Let's go. Yes. We're back at the house. That was a pretty epic trip. Ended up only catching that one fish, but as you guys saw, hooked up with a freaking gator. Sorry I didn't get the actual head pop up, but right when I say that's definitely a freaking gator, you can see the boil of where the head goes back under the water. So wish I could have got a little closer of a view, but that was freaking crazy. And then of course, you know, I'm gonna make sure I check my angles from now on with the DJI, because I did miss a couple topwater eats that, you know, that's kind of like the whole reason why I like to film and get out there in the morning, because those topwater eats are so epic. But thanks again for watching the video, guys, and we'll see you next time. Just want to say thank you. Okay, well, I thought I just got a bite.